students, welcome back to online class. Hope you all are doing great. Be at home and be safe. Now I am going to teach you the English, the lesson, the new blue dress. Do you know why this title is given the new blue dress? Here, the teacher gives a new blue dress to a poor student. And the small gesture of teacher takes turn in whole territory. So now let us go in detail the lesson. Before we could learn the lesson, let us know some difficult words which are there in our lesson. Running water. Water coming from the main supply when taps are turned on. Pavement. Pavement means footpath. Excitement. Strong feeling. Amazed. Filled with great wonder. Decent. Respectable. Community. People are living in the same locality who are considered as unit. Organize. To arrange or to make preparation. Campaigns, series of planned activities to do something. So dear students, let us now go in detail the lesson. I told you why the title has come the new blue dress. When spring came to the city of Cleveland in 1909, it did not change Gates Avenue. People who lived on the pretty streets near Gates Avenue were making gardens and painting their houses. But Gates Avenue continued to look dirty and ugly. In the season of spring, Cleveland in 1909 looked like this. There were many streets, many villages, many towns were there. All the towns were painted, the houses where they were painting, they were making gardens, except the Gates Avenue. Gates Avenue was same throughout the year. It was dirty and ugly. Gates Avenue was a short street, but it seemed longer because it was so ugly. Most of the families who lived there had very little money. They never expected to have any more. So here, Gates Avenue was a short street, but it looks longer because it was dirty and ugly. The peoples were poor and they never expected something to have greater things. Look here, this was like Gates Avenue. So there were people who lived in the dirt. They never thought of cleaning their places. They were living themselves in the dirt and ugly. So Gates Avenue was like this, dirty and ugly. Their houses had not been painted in many years and did not even have running water. The street itself was ugly too. There was no pavement, there was no street light. The railroad at the end of Gates Avenue added noise and dirt. Here, the people near Gates Avenue had not painted their houses from many years. They did not have running waters. The street itself, whole territory was dirty and ugly. There were no pavement, there were no footpaths were there. There were no street lights. There at the end of the Gates Avenue there was a railroad. There was a train track and there was coming from there noise and dirt was coming from that track. The other girls in the school near Gates Avenue wore new and pretty clothes that spring. But the little girl from Gates Avenue still wore the dirty dress that she had worn all winter. Probably that was the only dress she own. I said, in Cleveland there were many streets, and other streets were tidy and clean. They were painting their houses, they had a garden, and they were keeping clean their surroundings. So, all the students, those who were coming from other places, were neat and clean. But the girl who was coming from Gates Avenue wore same dress which she was wearing. It was dirty and ugly. It was never clean, that dress. Most probably she had only one dress which she was wearing throughout her year. Her teacher was very unhappy. The little girl was so nice. She always worked hard in the school. She was always friendly and polite. Her face was dirty and her hair was untidy, but anyone could see that she was pretty under the dirt. So, looking at this girl, the teacher was feeling sad. So, she was doing good in the school, she was doing good in her studies, she was very good with her friends, and she was a polite girl. So, teacher was feeling very bad looking at her ugliness, the way she is. Her face was dirty and her hair was untidy. They never her hair combed, never oiled her head, but and she never washed her face. It was dirty. But here the girl was very cute. She was very pretty. Due to dirt, that prettiness has covered. So one day a teacher said, "Won't you wash your face before you come to school tomorrow morning? Please do that just for me." So here teacher said that, "Won't you wash your face? Are you not washing your face before you could come to school?" So maybe the child said that no. So teacher is telling, from tomorrow morning, please wash your face. Just for my sake, not for your sake. Just for my sake, you wash your face, the teacher is telling. The next morning, the child's pretty face was clean and her hair tidy. Before the little girl went home that afternoon, the teacher said, "Now, dear, please ask your mother to wash your dress." So here teachers feels very happy looking at the child's face. Next day, her face she had washed and she had tied her hair. So she was looking very pretty. So teacher took this chance and she told, "Dear child, ask your mother to wash the dress which you are wearing." But the girl continued to wear the same dirty dress. But the girl continued to wear the same dress. Most probably she had only one dress, or maybe her mother was not interested to wash her clothes. So her mother is probably not interested in her. The teacher thought, so she bought a bright blue dress and gave it to the little girl. The child took the gift eagerly and rushed home. So I said most probably the child maybe had only one dress. If the mother washed that dress, the child has no other dress to wear, and or the mother is not interested to wash the child dress. So the teacher thought that way and teacher bought a new blue dress and gave to the child. As soon as the gift the child received, she rushed home. The next morning she came to school in the new blue dress. She was very clean and tidy. She told her teacher, "My mother could not believe her eyes when she saw me this morning in my new dress. My father wasn't at home, but he will see me at supper tonight." She was full of excitement. So next morning she came to school with a new blue dress. The teacher had told her before, "You have to wash your face and She washed her face, she tied her hair, and she wore a new blue dress and came. So maybe that girl was looking too pretty and she was clean. So she's telling, my mother could not believe that she is a pretty girl. So she says that my mother was very happy. My father did not see, but he will see me during supper time tonight. So the child was very happy. When her father saw her in her new blue dress, he was amazed to find that he had a very pretty little girl. So when her father came in the evening, when he saw the child in new blue dress, he was amazed and he felt very happy. He was never knowing that he had a pretty little girl. When the family ate supper, he was very more amazed to see a cloth on the kitchen table. So while having the supper, her father saw a tablecloth near corner in the kitchen. The family had never used a tablecloth before. We are going to begin to be tidier here, his wife said. I am ashamed to be dirty when our daughter is so clean. So when the father saw the tablecloth in a corner, noticing this, mother replied that from today onwards we are going to be little tidy, little clean. Since our child is too clean and we cannot be a dirty anymore. So the mother thought of cleaning the table. They never cleaned the table before it. So this is the stepmother has taken to clean the table which they are having. After supper, the mother began to wash the kitchen floor. Her husband washed silently for several moments. Then he went outside and began to repair the fence. The next evening, with the family's help, he began to make a garden. So after dinner, after supper, the mother began to wash the kitchen floor. She cleaned the table. She started to wash the kitchen floor. Her husband, the child's father, watched her mother silently for a few moments. Then he went out and began to repair the fence. The fence which is surrounding his house, he started to repair. The next evening, with the help of his family, he began to make a garden. So with the help of his family, he started to make a garden. During the following week, the man in the next house watched what his neighbor was doing. Most probably, the child house was looking clean and tidy. They started making garden, the fence repaired, the child's father, and it was looking clean and tidy. Most probably, looking this, the neighbor of the house started to watch what the neighbors are doing. And by the end of the week, the man began to paint his house for the first time in 10 years. So the man, the neighbor, looked at the child's house. It was clean and tidy. So he too painted and he too started working hard to keep clean his house. So he painted the house. A few days later, the young minister of the church near Gates Avenue passed the two houses and saw the two men working. So the minister of the church who passed Gates Avenue, who passed through the houses of two houses, the child house and the neighbor house. In front of the house, the minister passed. Looking at the men, two men were working hard to keep their surroundings, their house clean and tidy. So looking at the minister thought, for the first time he noticed there was no pavement on Gates Avenue and no street light, no running water. People who are trying so hard to make decent homes here deserve help. The minister thought he asked some important citizens in the city to help them. Here what happened, the minister looking at these two men working hard, he thought that these people are trying their level best to keep their surrounding clean and tidy, their house, and so he thought, but there is nothing improvement, there is nothing help from the government or from any other places. There is no pavements, there are no footpaths, there are no street lights, there are no running water. So people are struggling without this. But they are putting hard efforts to keep, even though nothing is there, to keep their surrounding clean and tidy. So he thought, I have to do something. These people deserve something help from me. So the minister thought and went and asked help from the locality people where there is the rich people or whomsoever he know. He asked from those people help and help this Gates Avenue. A few months later, because of the young minister, there was a pavement of Gates Avenue. There was a street light on the corner and the house had running water. 6 months after the little girl got her new blue dress, Gates Avenue had become a tidy street where respectable citizens lived. So after few months, there were pavements on Gates Avenue, there were street lights, running waters were there. So everything change has taken place in the after 6 months, and the Gates Avenue had become a tidy street where respectable citizens lived. So looking at these two families, these two house, so hope so all the territory of the whole Gates Avenue started changing. They themselves, all the families tried to keep their surrounding clean and tidy. They started to painting their houses. So it was after 6 months of child getting the blue dress, whole territory, whole Gates Avenue was changed. When people in other places had heard the story of Gates Avenue, they began to organize their own cleanup campaigns. Since 1930, more than 7,000 towns and cities have organized campaigns for painting and repairing homes and making better lives for the people who live in them. Who knows what will happen when a teacher gives a little girl a new blue dress? So here what happened, after this hearing, neighbors places what they started a campaign. They started to organize a campaign. Campaign means coming together and working for the something better to do. So the neighbors streets, they got together and they had a title clean up, and they had a campaign in 1913, and more than 7,000 cities and towns were organized campaigns and putting the repairing their houses and making better lives for the people who live in them. So there were 7,000 towns and cities were organized this campaign and they were tidy and healthy. So here the title is why it came. You see, who knows what will happen when a teacher gives a little girl a new blue dress, because of a small gesture of a teacher, that by giving a blue dress, the whole Cleveland territories were changed. There was a lot of changes taken. More than 7,000 towns and cities were changed, and they were clean and tidy. Dear students, we understood the lesson, how the Gates of Avenue has changed totally. Here in this lesson we learn two things. First is, even if we are poor, if we are clean and tidy, people respect us. So we need to keep ourselves clean, our surroundings clean, and we need to be tidy. Second thing is, A small help, the gesture of a teacher, made the Gates Avenue totally change. And through this, more than 7,000 cities and towns were changed, and there was cleanliness, and the surrounding was full of clean. So here this lesson teaches we need to be aware our neighbors or our classmates struggles or pain to see. Through a small help we can change the life of a person. So whatever we can through that way, through our talents or through our hard efforts, we can make others' lives to change. So hope you understood the lessons. Now I am going to give you homework. Write in your own words following questions. What happened to it by the end of the story? What are our responsibilities being person in this earth? What changes do you make after learning this lesson? So these are the questions you need to answer it in your own words. Thank you very much. Do your homework and be at home and be safe. Thank you.